Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Lego Batman Legacy of Dark Knight. Alright, so let's begin. First, open your web browser and visit the official Lego Batman website. Once the site loads, browse through the page until you find the Buy Now option. Click on it and you'll be taken to the purchasing section where you can choose the platform you want to use. For example, if you prefer playing through Epic Games, simply select that option from the available platforms. After choosing your platform, you will see different editions of the game available. Usually you can choose between the standard edition and the deluxe edition. Each version comes with different content and features, so the available extras and pricing may vary depending on which edition you select. Once you make your selection, you'll be redirected to the page for the platform you picked. On that page, you'll be able to see the game's price and additional purchase details. If you're ready to proceed, click the Buy Now button. This will open the checkout screen where you'll need to enter your billing information, payment details, and any required purchase information. After reviewing everything and confirming that your details are correct, simply click Place Order and your purchase will be completed. Once the transaction goes through successfully, the game will be added to your account and ready for download, and that's it. This is how you can buy Lego Batman Legacy of Dark Knight. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.